Let's see. I'm gonna click.
That's huge.
Yeah, that's the first one to click.
I know. Getting in the best house. Wait, show your teeth. Wait, get your nose in there, John.
Oh, Mom's over there trying to do this.
Get mom to look at it. Sorry.
You gonna get Mom to come over here and do this? In the world?
Bad squirt.
That look horrible.
Every time you tell me to show my teeth, I have to get mad. Like, I have a mad expression. I'm like,
There you go, John.
Get his thing over there.
duck face.
But when we moved on, let's see how it does.
Watch out,
Come here, Mom. Come here, stand in front of the camera.
Oh, lovely.
Get over, let's get over.
Looks like a chipmunk. Gee. No.
No, you're not taking a picture.
Look at Anna, look at
I did better. It's a video.
Wait, get.
Which one you want?
The guy's got the receipt on.
Work.
What are you doing? They're playing. Thank you.
Which one did y'all want?
What?
All of them. But.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, really? That really makes me look good.
It gives you the big.
Like you've been on some cocaine.
Like I have an owl.
Like you've been on some cocaine for a couple days.
Like I'm an owl. Come on, guys, we gotta go.
Work. It's not working now.
Wait.
Oh gosh.
Which one did you do? It's not. It's.
You look crazy.
Look at the camera.